Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So in today's video, I would be talking about 3 mistakes that I would never make again in my life. Now, when I was in my teens or when I was 21, 22 years old, I have made so many mistakes that I repent, but I don't repent in the sense that I always try to learn from the mistakes that I have made. And there are few things which I will never ever again make in my life, and that's what I would be talking about in today's video. So let's get into it. Now, everybody makes mistakes, and it is from our mistakes and failures that we learn how to make things right. And I have already made a video on how to overcome the fear of failure. Now, failure is a part and parcel of life, and we all know that. And making mistakes is also a part of your life which you have to take into account. And instead of repenting, try to learn from your mistakes and take risks and enjoy your life. This is the mantra that I have been up to these days, and I think that mistakes are something from where you can learn. It's like a teacher to us, and I have also made several mistakes in my life from which I try to learn, and that's what I will be talking about today. Now, some people have problem with acknowledging the fact that you may make mistakes sometimes. To err is to human, and we all know that. You can't succeed all throughout your life. That is not possible. And if you make mistakes, then try to acknowledge it. Try to learn from the errors that you have made. Also try to avoid making them again. So this is what I do. I make a mistake, I learn from that, and I try not to do that again. There are so many things which we know may go wrong, but we still take the risk, and that is important. And I feel that you should take risks. Smart people learn from these mistakes, and the mistakes that I've made in my life, I have lately in my life realized that I wouldn't want to make those mistakes again. So yeah, so let's get into the video. Now, the first mistake that I would never do again is I would never ever try to please everyone and try to be someone that I'm not. So when I was in my teens, I tried to please everyone and I tried to be someone who I was not. At that point of time, I thought that it's so awesome to be someone whom everyone liked, and it has got a kind of attraction when everyone loves you, but it is not possible all the time. Being someone whom you are not is something many people try to do. I was also one of them, but I have realized that ultimately you can't please everyone. It's not possible, because some people will like you, some people won't like you, some people will like your actions, some won't. And what's more important is whether you are happy and whether you are happy with the decisions that you have made, because ultimately you have to live with it. So try to do the right things, but never try to please everyone, because I have understood and realized that it's not possible to make everyone happy. Try to make yourself happy, then you will be able to make others happy. It's very important that you realize this as soon as you can, because it took me a lot of time to understand and realize that I can't be someone who I am not, and I can't be able to please everyone. And in order to be effective, I think that you have to call the shots, and you have to understand what is good for you and what makes you happy, and not what the others think is right for you. Of course, it is important that you understand what makes other happy, but you have to also keep in mind that you may not make someone happy all the time. This is something which I have realized over time, and I try to be as authentic as possible. I try to be myself. I never try to be someone else, and I feel that I'm good enough. If someone doesn't like me, then that's their problem and not mine. And I will never change myself for anyone, and I don't think you should also change yourself for anyone, because you are what makes you special. So this is the first mistake that I will never make again. The second mistake is losing sight of the bigger picture. Now, we are always thinking about the daily priorities, the daily goals that we have, that we lose sight of the bigger picture that's there. I also did the same. I always thought of I have to achieve this, I have to achieve this, but I never thought that what is the bigger picture and what is the bigger goal that I have. And in the meantime of achieving these small goals, I forgot about the large goal that's there. And everybody has different kinds of goals in their lives. So every day is a struggle for many of us, and struggling with every day, we forget that there is a bigger goal for us which we have to achieve eventually. And it's not that the small scale goals are not important. Of course it's important, because those small scale goals also create a bigger goal. But I feel that you should keep track of the big picture and the big goal in mind, and you should work towards it. And along with struggling with your life, along with the small priorities and the small goals that you have, always keep in mind the big picture that you have, which you have always wanted to achieve, and the success that you have wanted to achieve. And that's very important. I lost track of the bigger picture, and I lost track of the bigger goals that I have in life, and I just started to achieve, and I wanted to achieve the small goals that I have. But I eventually understood the importance of the bigger picture that's there, and that is very important for all of us. So I thought that this is the second mistake that I would be talking about, which I will never make in my life. The third mistake that I would be never doing in my life again is playing it safe. I was the kind of girl who would never take risks, and I would always follow the path that everyone followed, and I would never take risks, and I would be afraid to make mistakes, and I would be afraid to fail, and I would play it safe all the time. But as I grew up, I understood that it's very important that you take risks sometimes, because risks may carry some amount of failure, but it will also make you learn something. So taking risk is important, because life is full of ups and downs, and you don't know when you have to take some risks, and sometimes it may go wrong, but sometimes it actually leads you to something wonderful. So always keep in mind that it's very important that you take risks. And always remember that success only comes to those people who are courageous enough to take that step, take that big leap. And taking the leap of faith is a very important thing, and I have also realized that. And I am all ready to discover new things, and I'm all ready to dive into something which I don't know about. I'm all ready to embrace life as it is, and I have made my mind that I won't follow the path that everyone has been following till that, and I will take some new route. I will take some risks in life. Maybe I will be not very successful in that. It may turn out to be a failure, or it may not be the way that I want it to be, but I would always be happy about the fact that I have tried it at least. So try to take some risks, try to do something new, try to do something exciting which makes you happy, and I think everything will fall into place eventually. I will never play it safe again, even if it's a hard route to take, and I will never lose hope. And yeah, I think these are the three mistakes that I would never make in my life again. And let me know what kind of mistakes you have made and you will also not do again in your life. And so that's it for today. Hope you like my videos. If you do so, then please like, share and comment on my videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So stay tuned in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive. Bye.